In this video, we are going to show you how to collaborate with others in Poppy AI. Now, if you have a project and you want other team members to help you with it, it's quite simple. Create a board, right? Once your board is set up, right, whether you want to set up everything for them or you want them, it's the same thing, right? So for this example, we have something simple set up. We have articles, we have videos. So we have the material here. It's already connected to a chat bot. And for us to collaborate, we actually need to give people access to this specific board, because if you don't, this is going to be just for you. It's privated, right? So how do we do this? If you click on the share button here on the somewhat upper right corner, like so, this pop-up will appear. Now you can just click make board public. So everybody with the link can be in this board or edit this board. So click copy link and then send that to your teammates, whether it's Slack, Discord, whatever. And then once they enter here, you can now start collaborating and doing the project together. So that is how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link we have provided in the description below. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.